Ever wonder how TypeScript knows exactly what type you're working with inside an if statement? The secret is instanceof, a type guard that turns runtime checks into compile time guarantees. First, let's understand what instanceof actually does. It's a JavaScript operator that checks if an object is an instance of a specific class or constructor function. It returns true if the object was created by that constructor, and false otherwise. This works by checking the prototype chain at runtime. Here's where TypeScript shines. When you have a union type, TypeScript doesn't know which specific type you're dealing with. But when you use instanceof in a conditional, TypeScript recognizes it as a type guard. Inside that if block, TypeScript automatically narrows the type from a broad union to the specific class you checked for. This means you get full autocomplete and type safety for that class's properties and methods. The key detail is that this narrowing only happens in the truthy branch. Inside the if block where instanceof returns true, TypeScript knows the exact type. In the else block, TypeScript narrows to everything except that type. If you negate the check with an exclamation mark, the narrowing flips. The if block excludes the type and the else block includes it. Let's see this in action with error handling. Imagine you have a union type of string or error. Without instanceof, TypeScript won't let you access the message property because strings don't have it. But add an instance of error check and boom, inside that block TypeScript knows it's an error, so you can safely access message, stack, and any other error properties. Outside the block, TypeScript knows it must be a string. Finally, instanceof works beautifully with class hierarchies. If you check for a parent class, TypeScript narrows to that class or any of its subclasses. This is because instanceof walks the entire prototype chain, not just the immediate constructor. To sum up, instanceof is TypeScript's built-in type guard that narrows union types within conditional branches, giving you type safety based on runtime checks. Ready to level up your TypeScript skills? Hit subscribe for more interview prep content. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.